Stephen Hawking has died, which is a great loss not only to the scientific community but to humanity as a whole. Very few people have done so much to advance human understanding of the cosmos as Stephen Hawking did. Very few figures at all. He was also a great science communicator and an inspiring story. A man with a wonderful mind trapped in a broken body who defied all the odds to survive as long as he did and to contribute all that he did. And yet the vultures are already circling, just as they did with Darwin, just as they did and continue to do with Einstein. There are all number of people, usually religious or conspiracy fanatics, trying to claim Hawking as one of their own somehow. Apparently the fact that his first wife was a devout Christian must mean that he is too, or was, somehow behind the scenes. Some even claim that he was replaced at least once, sometimes more than once, by imitators who were using his authority and intellect, the work that he had accomplished, to perpetuate some manner of conspiracy theory, the flat earth, or to undermine God or something. Let's try and nip this in the bud, shall we? Hawking was an inveterate atheist. He was an atheist as far back as school. In college, he was known to argue with Christian classmates about this. He stated flat out that he was an atheist on many occasions. Yes, he used the word God as a metaphor, as unfortunately many scientists are wont to do, but that didn't mean he believed. So can we please just show some respect for this man's contributions and represent him accurately as who he was? And the irony is that this doesn't matter. I just want his views to be remembered and recorded accurately. But the truth of any proposition, of any claim, of any scientific discovery does not rest upon the authority or character of the person who made that discovery. It rests upon the work, it rests upon the evidence, not on the person. So it's pointless even trying to claim people like Hawking for one side or another in the religious wars. He was who he was, he said what he did, the work, the evidence speaks for itself. But perhaps it's better to let him just speak in his own words.
We are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of very average star, but we can understand the universe. That makes us something very special. There is a fundamental difference between religion, which is based on authority, and science, which is based on observation and reason. Science will win because it works. I believe the simplest explanation is, there is no God. No one created the universe, and no one directs our fate. This leads me to a profound realization that there probably is no heaven, and no afterlife either. We have this one life to appreciate the grand design of the universe, and for that, I am extremely grateful.